Oh! Oh, look at it. Look at the top. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy. Olha, foi embora. Desceu água abaixo, poeirão aí.
Мужик, эй! Мужик! Уходи! Трещина пошла!
Watch this unbelievable moment. One of the longest rope tornadoes ever captured forms over open farmland in the United States. It stretches across the sky like a whip of wind, slow and graceful, but hiding unstoppable force.
Misericórdia. Meu Deus, parece tornado.
A massive weather phenomenon unfolds over Guarulhos, Brazil. From a distance, the storm looks like a dark wall swallowing the horizon.
Olha, a cidade sumiu.
We're under fire! Ow! That one hurt! They hit me in the side! Hey! Hey! Help!
Watch this incredible moment as a flowing river begins to freeze, triggered by extreme cold and calm conditions. The water slows just enough for ice to form layer by layer, creating a rare and silent transformation in nature.
Whoa, look at the size of this cray. Whoa, yes, you beauty. How lucky am I? I'm going to be eating well tonight. Absolute beauty, hey? Painted rock lobster.
A massive whale washes up on Dikwella Beach, Sri Lanka, a silent reminder of the deep ocean's untold mysteries rising to the surface. A quiet road in Queensland, Australia, is suddenly overtaken by a massive swarm of grasshoppers. They cover the ground, fill the air, and turn an ordinary drive into a scene of pure chaos.
Salut aku, Bah. Baru kali ini kulihat pisang sepanjang.
Look at this stunning waterspout, twisting from the clouds all the way down to the sea. A powerful display of beauty unfolding right above the ocean.
Check this out. This is an eternal flame. There's only 9 eternal flames in the entire world, and this one's inside of a waterfall. Take a look.
Yo, check this out. You hear that? That static electricity when I reach my hand out over the edge.
Thousands of these mysterious blue creatures washed up on a beach in Spain. They may look like jellyfish, but they're actually called Velella vellelatini ocean drifters, known as Bithwin sailors. A family experiences a once-in-a-lifetime moment, standing just meters from where the rainbow seems to touch the earth. What felt impossible became beautifully real. This incredible dust devil rises suddenly in Chapada Diamantina, Brazil, twisting fast and lifting dust high into the air.
Оно же снимает? Клёвый, да?
Wow, this is absolutely heartwarming. Just look at the gentle bond between this man and the dolphin love in motion.
Сейчас Куся отпустит тебе.
Watch this fascinating moment. A razor clam expertly burrows itself into the wet sand, disappearing in seconds.
Are horseshoe crabs dangerous? Let's find out. No, not really. You think it'd be like a crab with these pinchers? Let's get one. See that? It doesn't squeeze very hard.
Check out this massive tree towering above everything. These ancient sequoias in California make humans look like ants.
Acho mani bagya ma asad di fridge mane wayat koni ino mana Ano seperti zambur munde
A swirling underwater vortex spinning like a mini tornado. Nature's magic happening right below the surface.
Oh my god!
This powerful tornado hits Texas. Workers stranded on a rooftop cling for their lives as God's power unfolds above them. powerful lightning bolt strikes the hills of Tamboril, Brazil, followed by a sudden explosion that echoes across the valley. Locals described it as one of the loudest they've ever heard.
Look at this wave, look at that wave. Wow, see that? Oh my gosh.
Past the cafe!
In Hawaii, where lava from the Kilauea volcano enters the Pacific Ocean, the intense heat instantly boils the seawater, causing violent steam explosions and forming new land in the process. It's a dramatic reminder of the forces beneath our feet and the perfect balance in God's creation.
But you never seen that before.
Ostriches swallow stones to crush their food. It's how God designed them, since they have no teeth. What looks like a dark shadow on the wall is actually a massive cluster of daddy longlegs, also known as harvestmen. This bizarre gathering was spotted in Mexico, where thousands of these tiny arachnids group together in a strange, shifting mass.
Olha isso, rapaziada. Temperatura cai. Nessas piscinas de plástico são muito comuns nessas saídas, né, de dreno. Olha aí como é que ficou. Será que tá frio?
This shocking riverbank collapse happened in India as rushing water eats through the soil in seconds.
Olha se tiver, gente.
In Saturno, Brazil, a powerful landslide tears through the mountainside. Massive rocks and debris tumble down with powerful force. Thankfully, no casualties were reported.
Olha lá, limpou a pedra tudo. Caralho.
This intense windstorm struck Vietnam, bending trees and sending roadside stalls flying.
We should go out the house and get him. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Did he just jump out?
Yeah.
You guys got to watch it?
Yeah, it was really close. Uh-oh. Oh my.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these unbelievable moments, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Quick Top for more jaw-dropping content from around the world. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment.
Somebody left the hose out last night. Now I've got ice cubes.